Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the Keurig Care Kit and a clean workspace. This saves time. Pour the descaling solution into the empty reservoir per kit instructions and reattach the reservoir. Once done, power the machine on and place a large container under the spout to catch flush water. You'll run multiple cycles. Make sure to remove the water filter if instructed by the kit, so the descaler contacts internal passages directly, and confirm the machine displays ready before starting. You now perform the core descaling steps. Follow kit timing exactly to dissolve and remove mineral buildup. Initiate a brew cycle using the descaling solution, run fully as directed, then repeat until the reservoir is depleted. Once complete, rinse the reservoir and fill it with fresh water. Run at least 2 to 3 full water-only cycles to flush any residual solution. Make sure to clean the entrance and exit needles with the brush provided, and wipe the K-cup holder and exterior to remove loosened grime. You finish by installing the replacement charcoal water filter and repositioning the reservoir. A new filter improves taste and prevents rapid rescaling. Next, run 2 final plain water brew cycles to condition the filter and verify there's no lingering descaler taste. Once satisfied, wipe the exterior dry and reassemble the drip tray. If you encounter problems, like persistent error lights or odd noises, power the machine off for 5 minutes. Reseat the filter and reservoir, and repeat a single flush cycle as a targeted troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.